Good morning students and welcome back to our science class of 3rd standard. So students, till now we have learned the lesson, the respiratory system, and we have also finished our work exercise number 1, worksheet number 1. And today we are going to solve worksheet number 2. So students, you will think that why we are doing so, because I just want to complete the all question and answers in front of me. Okay? It is observed that though we are doing a lot of effort to teach you, but some students are doing their work and some students are not paying proper attention to the online teaching. So that's why I have decided to explain each and everything to you so that you can complete your all work in front of me. So student, let's start our work exercise number 2. So in worksheet number 2, the first question is unscramble the following letters. So first is HSATAM. Okay? The first word is HSATAM. So you have to find out what is the proper word for that. So you have to, this word is unscrambled here and you have to join this word and make one meaningful word from that. So the answer is, what is the answer? You will write here A S T H A M A, asthma. ASTHAM. Asthma. Okay. So the second word GOCUH. Again this word is unscrambled here and you have to make meaningful word from that. And the answer is COUGH. What is the spelling? Cough. Then EESNZ. So what is the proper word for that? Sneeze. SNEEZE. Now let's move toward question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. The options are given below this exercise, below this question, and you have to fill that answers, that options in this fill in the blanks. And options are asthma, coughing, sneezing. So these are the options. So the first sentence is dash dash and dash dash throw out the unwanted particles that are trapped in the respiratory tank. So what is the answer? Answer is sneezing, and coughing. Sneezing and coughing throw out the unwanted particles that are trapped in the respiratory tract. Now second sentence is The breathing difficulty that occur due to an allergic disorder is known as, the answer is asthma. So, like this you have to write down all the answers in your textbook on page number 33. Okay. Now see question number 3. Take the correct answer. First is morning walk is helpful because during morning air is cold, less polluted, transparent, does not contain germs. So what will be the answer? Air is cold, less polluted is the correct answer. You have to tick here. Cold, cross it. Then transparent, also cross it. And does not contain germs. This is the correct answer. Question number 4. True or false? You have to write down whether the statement is true or whether the statement is false. Now, first sentence is breathing rate is the number of times you breathe in and breathe out. This sentence is true. So, we have to write down here true. Then, next one is common cold results when you feel really cold. So, this answer is false. So, you have to write here false. Then third, the mixing of harmful components in air is known as air pollution. Is this correct? Yes, this is correct. So, this is true. So, you have to write down here true. Then, question number 5. Write 4 symptoms which you observe in a child suffering from common cold. Now, students, the student who is observed, who is having common cold, which are the symptoms? So, the first symptoms you have to write down is fever, F-E-V-E-R. Second, nasal discharge, N-A-S-A-L, nasal discharge, D-I-S-C-H-A-R-G-E, nasal discharge. Then head ache, H-E-A-D, head, A-C-H-E-N, head ache. And fourth one is the reddening of eyes, R-E-D-D-E-N-I-N-G, reddening of eyes. So students, now we are going to solve exercise that is given below the lesson. Okay. So, in that exercise, the first question is tick the correct option. And the first sentence is respiration takes place inside. A option is the lungs and B option is the body. Which is the correct option? Respiration takes place inside the body cells is the correct answer, not the lungs. Which of the following process release energy? Breathing, respiration. So, the answer is respiration. Okay? You have to cut this option. Breathing is wrong. Respiration is the correct answer. So, next is that you know very well, the process of taking in of air is known as, when we take the outer air inside our lungs, that process is known as inhalation or exhalation. जब हम बाहर की हवा हमारे लंग्स में लेते हैं तब वो प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? उसको इनहेलेशन कहते हैं या फिर एक्सहेलेशन कहते हैं? सो द आंसर इज inhalation. Okay, not the exhalation. Then how many bronchi are there? हमने शुरू में पहले ही हमने ये देखा है, मैंने तुमको डायग्राम बना के भी ये बात एक्सप्लेन की थी. How many bronches are there? So the correct answer is 2. Bronches कितने होते हैं? 2, not 3. Next is our body needs which gas for respiration. रेस्पिरेशन के लिए हमारे बॉडी में कौन सी गैस जरूरी होती है? ऑक्सीजन और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑक्सीजन। अगर हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यूज करते हैं देन वी विल नॉट सर्वाइव। ओके, हमारे बॉडी में रेस्पिरेशन के लिए जरूरी है ऑक्सीजन। ओके, is very much important for the respiration process in our body. So, like this. Then question number B is fill in the blanks. And the options are given here: respiratory, then increases, then fatigue, breathing, breathing rate, communicable. So, the first sentence is dash dash is the number of times you breathe in and out. So, the answer is breathing rate. So, you have to write here breathing rate. Is the number of times you breathe in and breathe out. Breathing dash dash after vigorous exercise. Breathing जो है वो बढ़ जाती है या कम होती है आफ्टर विगरस एक्सरसाइज, तो उसके लिए क्या वर्ड आया है? इंक्रीजेस। सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर इंक्रीजेस। देन टू मच ऑफ डैश डैश फूड लीड्स टू ओबेसिटी। दैट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इट टू वेरी वेल। सो टू मच ऑफ which is the correct option? Fatty food leads to obesity. Fourth one is common cold is dash dash disease. What is the correct answer? Communicable. Then air pollution affects our dash dash system the most. सबसे ज्यादा एयर पोल्यूशन हमारे कौन से सिस्टम के ऊपर इफेक्ट करता है? रेस्पिरेटरी। करेक्ट आंसर इज रेस्पिरेटरी। So next question is give one word. Now first sentence is inhalation and exhalation of air is called. What is the answer? It starts with B. What is the correct answer? Breathing. So you have to write here breathing. The passage that originates from nose. The passage that originates from nose. हमारी नाक से जो पैसेज तैयार होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Nasal passage. So you have to write here nasal passage. Then next, the spongy elastic bag like structure. जो स्पंज के जैसे स्पॉन्जी होते हैं, सॉफ्ट होते हैं, इलास्टिक और जिसमें बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इट स्टार्ट्स विथ एल। करेक्ट, लंग्स। LUNGS, lungs. Next one is the gas released during respiration is, it starts with C. Which is that gas? Carbon dioxide. And last, nasal discharge is observed during dash dash. Nasal discharge हमको कब होता है? Whenever we are feeling cold. So the correct answer is cold. Now question number D, label the following. The diagram is given here and you have to write down the names. So this portion is known as windpipe. So you have to write there windpipe. Then this portion is called as lungs. So you have to write down here the spelling of lungs. And these are the two parts are known as the bronchi. 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 Okay. Now question number E. Match the following. Match the pairs. First side you have given here lungs, nostrils, obesity, germs, exhalation. And on another side it is given contain air, contraction of the size of the chest, then main respiratory organ, too much of fatty food, and then cause disease. So you have to match the pairs accordingly properly. So first is lungs. Lungs, which is the pair of lungs? Main respiratory organ. Okay. Then nostrils contain air. Then obesity, too much of fatty food. Then exhalation, then germs cause disease, and exhalation means contraction of the size of the chest. Okay. So these are the correct options. Have you understood this? Now last question that we are going to do now is true or false. Question number 8, true or false? Our body needs energy to work. True or false? True. Of course it is true. Because without energy we cannot work. The process of taking in of air is known as exhalation. The process of taking in of air. Obviously you know that it is inhalation. When we take the air inside our lungs, it is inhalation. So it is false. Breathing is a non-continuous process. It is false. Again. Fourth one, too much of fatty food helps to breathe properly. That is also false. And question number 5, asthma is an allergic disorder of lungs. So that is true. As I have explained it to you that asthma is a allergic disorder of lungs. Okay. So in this way we have completed all question answers given in exercise, and the question answers, question number G, that I will send you in the next period. Okay. We will do that in the next period. So students, I hope that up to now you have understood all the answers of the questions and you will write it properly in your textbook. And same way you have to be very attentive in these online classes. Okay? You have to mark your presently each and every period, so that's why your attendance will be counted. Okay? So for that, you should have to take the benefit of this online teaching till our school opens. Okay? So like this, we have completed our third lesson, the respiratory system, and the question answers that I am going to give you again, that we will soon complete it in your notebook. You have to write down properly in a clean and neat handwriting. And once again I just want to tell you that don't hesitate to do the homework, don't hesitate to watch the online videos, because it is very beneficial for you. All this work is going for you. It is only for you, that we are also taking the effort, and you should have to take the benefit of this online teaching. Okay? So once again I would like to tell you, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.